Hello people, welcome back to my channel Shake Rides. I am in Benelli showroom today, Langford Road, Bengaluru, to check out the newly launched 2021 Benelli 502 TRK BS61. So we have to see what is changed in this bike because it's a BS6 and I've also heard that the price has been reduced. So let's see what exactly the changes are. And today it's going to be just a walk around video. I'll do a test ride video once I get the bike. As of now, it's going to be a walk around video. So if you're new to this channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates and do like and subscribe to my channel. And let's see what's in the store. Okay, so here's the bike guys, TRK Benelli 502 2021 BS6. This is the white color. You get the white, you get a red one and then you get a grey one. So those are the three color options. As of now they have here as a white one. So everything remains same, no major changes is what I feel, except it is a BS6 one. There are some cosmetic changes, I'll take you through that. So to start with, it gets chunky tires to the front. These are 120 by 70 and 17-inch wheels. These are alloy wheels. Here the 320mm disc brakes. You get dual here one and here one. And of course, it gets an ABS disc brakes with ABS, the Benelli in-house ones. And you also get this 43mm upside down forks. That's a big radiator there. And the beautiful looking aggressive fender here. You also get a windshield here. You get a DRL lights here and halogen lights, I believe. Yeah, these are the halogen lights. Those are pretty let down here. You also get the indicators here, LED indicators. So let's turn on this. So here we go. I've turned on this. You can only see the DRLs. The other ones are halogen bulbs. I'll show you once I turn on the engine. So that's the front part. As you go here, so these are the knuckle guards. So what I've heard is these windshield, the knuckle guards and the side the holders, all these are part of the package, so that's a good point. And this is a crash guard, and this is for your charging your mobile. Interesting here, charging your mobile and your camera. So that's at the front. TRK branding, Benelli branding here. It misses out the lion here, but you get only Benelli branding here. You also get a TRK symbol here, and you get a TRK Benelli here. So coming to the engine, the interesting part of this engine is it's a 500cc engine, twin cylinder. It generates roughly 47 PS of power at 8500 RPM and generates a 46 Nm of torque at 6000 RPM. So there's a lot of torque available at the low end here, that's what I feel. It kicks in very early, and this is a catalytic converters BS6, and these are your brakes. Look at the pad, they're very good for your adventure touring. It supports this kind of ones you need to have in your adventure bikes. And it's well maintained, well finishing, and a lot of wires have been covered, no wires have been exposed here. That's a good work. The build quality is very good. And as you come back, this is an interesting swing arm. You get 260mm disc brake at the back with the ABS, and there we go. This is a huge tire, 160 by 60, 17-inch rim at the back. These are alloy wheels. You get this tire hug, very strong. The build quality is very good. And this is grab rails and also to mount your luggage at the back. These are your LEDs. Coming to the seats, as I told you, are very cushioned, and they should be pretty much comfortable for your long rides. And this is a huge tank at front. It's 20 liters tank. Even if you're considering the mileage of 22 to 25, you shall be getting 450 kilometers above in long range. So that's one interesting and positive thing about this. And that's pretty much I've covered all. Let's see the digital console. So this is a wide handlebar. You get this conventional setup, this indicators, you get this high beam, low beam, you get engine kill switch, honk, and this start, and I also get this hazard lights indicator. I'll show you now. And these are the wide mirror bars, interesting ones, the nice ones, nice finishing there. You also get to mount your anything here, like your GPS or your mobile is also very helpful here. Okay, so here we go. Turned on, there's a full swipe. It's come to live now. So basically it gives a conventional setup, conventional information. You get engine kill switch. Yeah, then you get a neutral, you get oil information, ABS. You also get engine heat, and you get engine heat information, cool to high, your time, your gear shifter, and you also get this fuel indicator, your odometer, trip 1, trip 2. You can press this. Then currently it has kilometers per hour. This is a trip A, trip B. Back to this one. If you click this, it will be it shows you information in miles per hour. That's interesting and so very good. This is your tachometer, and your you get a speedometer digital. Let's put it back. Okay. Let's turn this off. So if you click this hazard lights, you can see it'll be very useful when you do highway rides. Turn this off, and these are the ones. These are the additional switches. So when if you're trying to add additional LED lights, so this switch can be used to connect to that. So that's one interesting, and you also get the adjustable levers for your clutch and also for your brakes. This is also a very good feature, because when you're doing long rides, your hands tend to get go numb if you do not have proper adjusted levers. So that's one point here. That's pretty much, guys. That's the bike all about. So let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Okay. One interesting part about Benelli is they sound very good. So Benelli is always known for the best exhaust available in the market in any bikes. So you take your TNTs or you take your other bikes from Benelli, they sound very good. The dimensions and all I will display it on the screen. I think the seat height is of 800 mm and the ground clearance is of 190 mm. So very good one for your highway rides and also for touring. And the weight is big, the heights and all should not be a matter. So the other information I'll put it on the screen. It weighs around 235 kilos if I'm not wrong. So that's gonna be one problem. I don't say problem, but so 235 kilos, it's a heavy bike. So yeah, when you start riding, you don't feel it, but maybe when you're trying to move around in the city, then you will feel it. Apart from that, I don't think so. So once we do a test ride, only then I'll be able to tell how the bike feels. But this is it, BS6 2021 Benelli 502 TRK. We do not have a TRK X as of now. That gets spoke wheels, but this gets alloy wheels. So when you get spoke wheels, you can do a complete off-roading adventure. Since it's alloy wheels, you can only do a minimal off-roading and a complete adventure, tourer adventure. Here it is. This is the price. TRK 502, if you see, they say complete. The price starts at 4,79,900. So interestingly, the price has been dropped from the BS4 compared to BS4 outgoing models, roughly around 30 to 35. Ex-showroom price is what I'm talking. On-road price differs from state to state, so I cannot talk much about the on-road price because it differs state to state. So 4,79,900 is a bang for your buck, and you can book it this for 10,000 rupees. So if you stay nearby Langford Road, come down here in this Benelli showroom, do a test ride and find out yourself whether the bike is good or not. But this is the white color, the red color, and the red color and white color will cost you 5,000 more. But the starting bike package is the grey color what you get. And one interesting part about this bike is if you are looking for a bike which is above KTM 390 Adventure and below versus 650, I mean versus 650 is going to cost you somewhere around 8 lakh rupees on road in Bengaluru. and KTM 390 Adventure somewhere around 4 lakhs, 3.7 something. So in between, if there is an adventure bike you're looking, I think this is the bike, guys. Seriously, it looks very premium. It's almost like a super bike. It's a twin cylinder, there's a lot of advantage there, and the exhaust note is very good. I mean, you can feel it once you. It's a very comfortable in highway rides. And to give more about that, I will do my ride review. Then let you know what exactly the bike is about. So that's the video, guys. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. Let me know what you know. Let me know what you feel about this bike in my comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care of yourself. This is Sheikh, and I'm signing off.